Can we look? Yeah. Can I see you? Mm-hmm. Oh my God. You look so nice. On behalf of Ariana and I'm so happy that everyone that we love is here.
Now is the time to take a deep breath and say, we made it.
On the 7th day of the week, the 10th day of the month of Nisan of the year 5786, Joel Gottsagen, son of Paul and Kate, and Ariana Martinez, daughter of Gilbert and Rhonda, spoke the words and performed the rites which united their lives and affirmed their love.
Do you, Joel, take Ariana to be your wife, to love, to honor, and to cherish her, and together to create a future enriched by your commitment to your shared values?
I do.
And do you, Ariana, take Joel to be your husband, to love, to honor, and to cherish him, and together to create a future enriched by your commitment to your shared values?
I do.
Joel being the firstborn, he's a natural trailblazer, a really brave person. Like when he went to kindergarten for the first day, I knew he was nervous, but he never looked back. And when he went to Stanford and all these people are yelling his name at the dorm, and I knew he was nervous, but he just never looked back.
Ariana was a very peaceful child as well as a peaceful young woman.
Growing up, he always looked out for us. I remember Ariana reading this book about healthy living, but she'd always say, the man in the book says, whenever we do something unhealthy.
That love of reading and discovery ultimately led you to complete your physician assistant studies.
When I saw her repeatedly decide to keep seeing Joel and going on dates with him and telling me about him, I knew that she was deeply invested and that there was something special about him that I couldn't quite catch without ever meeting him in person.
Ariana wrote that she is inspired every day by Joel's creativity and passion. Through watching him build multiple businesses, trying countless new hobbies, Joel has shown Ariana that if you can imagine it, you can achieve it. And in Joel's letter about Ariana, he shared that he is inspired by your loyalty and sense of justice. You always have your friends and family in mind, looking out for them, wanting the best for them, and you have a firm sense of what is right and wrong.
Joel, I've witnessed your love, dedication, and commitment to Ariana. I'm especially grateful for your kindness, generosity, and patience.
Ariana, you really have the most gentle and loving spirit. You're a completely beautiful person, and tonight I'm just very proud to call you my daughter-in-law.
I promise to be an equal partner in every part of the life that we build together. And I promise to love you unconditionally for exactly who you are.
My promise to you is to support you in all your new endeavors and encourage you every step of the way. To be the person who picks you up when you're feeling blue. To be your best friend. And continue to have new experiences, whether that's exploring a new country or a new coffee shop.
You have spoken the words and performed the rites that unite your lives. I therefore pronounce you, Joel, and you, Ariana, husband and wife, and you may break that glass. Mazel tov! You can kiss your bride.
And so for a weekend that has felt obvious and even inevitable for a long time now, congratulations and cheers to you both. Love you.